Sunday and I'm working for greenhouse. We're doing maize harvest. It's big maize on a farm. It's an energy farm. I don't know what they are doing with it. It's not my business. This is the controller for the walking floor. I'm gonna have to control the speed with the thingy. Handbrake. Put some rev on, so it's tipping a bit faster. We've been asked not to spread the load too much, so should tip it pretty much in the same place if we can, but I suppose we're gonna let it go. Happy days. There's a few more rounds to go. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a day. It's harvest time. I've never been a harvest more before. it's good for me. I had to drive into a road which was not suitable for AGVs. And so for AGVs. After that, there is at least 10 other lorries doing the same job, so we just keep going in and out. Happy Sunday! Let's see the pile. It's empty. Headboard's back. Pile is there. I made it. Maize everywhere. Working today on a harvest. I'm just on my way for my first collection on the field. I have to find the field. I've got a map, so roughly I know which way to go. And actually I know this area because I've been here for, I don't know, for something last year. But it's still a bit of, you know, because it's gonna be a field. There is lots of other lorries going. They put me in a, oh, pigs! They put me on a group chat yesterday with 42 participants. 42. So 42 people. Oh, cows! 42 people working on the harvest, so it's not just only me. It's gonna be a teamwork. Pigs and cows and birds. So come with me on a harvest day. Yoo-hoo! Oh, baby pigs. Baby pigs. Baba Malatok. Okay. Last year I've been through in this intersection, but now I have to turn to the right. Okay. Unsuitable for AGVs. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, God. Okay. I've been told to go this way, so it should be alright. Nice little village. I'm a bit always anxious when I have to go on a road which is unsuitable for AGVs, because you wonder why. Is it like a tight bridge or weight limit, or the road is very tight, or whatever? You don't know. Yet. Should be here somewhere. They are here. Just trying to make some space for the cars if they wanna pass me. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ripped off his top sheet. What the hell? So that's next one. And then it's gonna be me.
Alright. You right?
Yeah, you?
It's very tight to get in there, you know?
Is it?
It's very tight to get in there.
Yeah. Do you reverse in?
No, we do reverse it. I think I make it a split because I took this branch and I pulled the shit over as well.
Yeah.
Not very pleasant place, but...
Yeah. Are you the first one?
I was the first, now I was the second one, but I can't go nowhere because my shit collapsed.
Yeah. Oh really? Little bit of branch clearing. They said watch the branches. That guy in front of me, he collapsed. He basically caught on the trees. His sheet and his sheet on the top is collapsed, which is bad. He didn't rip it. It just collapsed. And I met a follower. One of the guys following me says, "Oh, there's a celebrity." I'm not. Just everywhere. have you seen that GoPro? Oh my god, that was something. I had to watch the branches there and there, and my mirror nearly come off by that bush. I nearly knocked on the gate and I was on the bank here. That's how the harvest goes. It's cool, isn't it? The guys recognize me. They want a photo. Are you on break, guys?
You can put on it, but we are your fans.
Yeah. I don't know how they can repair it so quick.
Well, that will be
That's-
what? Alright, no, good.
I can repair it for you.
Can you?
But not today. Well, you can probably, glue
I'm
it
not
back
that
together
bad
and
driver,
give it
you
a
know.
try.
Well, if you manage to get in that bloody gateway,
Yeah.
so
Tell
you
you what,
are,
you can swap, we can drive this DAF,
because we struggle in
How did you put that sheet back?
We've got some skills,
But seriously,
roll
tell me how you do
we
it.
roll it back with, on the top you got that
Like
bar to unroll it. You know, when you
Oh,
got
yeah.
got electric sheet, you got a bar to open
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
So we put that in, and
Yeah.
he just did it in the steps. I hold it up, he
Yeah.
climbed a bit further and further.
Cool.
But it's
You
a
know what you're
two-man's
doing,
job,
do you?
it's not like...
I knocked this
Yeah.
branch off and that shit
I've
fell
seen
down.
it, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys Polish?
Well,
No, I'm Polish.
I'm Lithuanian.
All
I'm
right.
Polish, yeah. And
My daughter's best friend is Lithuanian.
Alright.
Her name is Gasta.
What?
Gasta.
Gusta maybe?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
she calls herself Gasta in England.
Yeah.
The boys are still working, even at night time. It's nearly dark, and I'm working too. The trailer is full. There's another one. The pile is massive behind me. Can you see it? It's big. Just finished my fourth load today on harvest. Clean the trailer because you have to clean it. Because if I'm going to pick up something tomorrow, something else, so it's gonna be cross-contaminated. So after every load, we clean the trailer. What's this music going on in my cab? Okay, I need to go to the weighbridge and finishing. Actually, I'm in a hurry because running out of working time. So bye bye. Have you seen that? That animal is just here.